Welcome, 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 setters, closers, and affiliates, and also partners. If you're here because you're one of those people, I've got something that's really, really amazing. I've been a digital marketer since I was 17 years old. I'm an old guy right now. I've closed hundreds and hundreds of deals, I've booked a lot of appointments, but now I want to focus on the clients, content creation, and so on. So I'm looking for you guys to take over, and I'm giving you guys up to 80% on some of the products that took me years to develop. So what are these products, and how can you guys partner up with me, and how this is the only place that you need to get multiple offers. You don't need to go back and search for offers out there. I will provide you with the offers that you need. Okay, so without further ado, let me share with you guys what's in the works for you guys and what to expect. Okay, so first thing first, after you watch this call and after you commit to be part of the Freedom Club, you will get this kind of like agreement to show you the pay structure. We have 80% commission on Freedom Club subscription, and you're getting 10% per closed booked appointment. And these booked appointments you're booking people that are already signed up on our ads. They're not cold leads. They're not people that don't know about us. We have people that have signed up on our ads since 2017. So you can imagine how many people we have in the pipeline sitting right now as we speak, okay? So all this money invested, thousands of dollars invested into the ads, goes directly to your pockets once you come in and you start doing what you're supposed to be doing, okay? You get also 30% commission if you decide to bring your own sales outside of our system. We do have a non-compete agreement. You can't steal our leads, of course. We do offer you opportunities to make money. You can't take advantage of it. And you just have to sign up your information, whatever, and we pay out in multiple ways. I have setters that are making anywhere between $1,000 all the way to $10,000. I have closers making up to $20,000. We pay them in different ways. I know you guys have questions about closing, about leads, about conversions. We have daily trainings at 11 a.m. Central, so you can show up, and it's a mandatory that you show up. Another thing that's mandatory to show up and be part of this team is to make 100 dials. Making 100 dials in our company is like 30 minutes. So if you don't have 30 minutes to be part of our team, we quite don't want you to be, a partner as well. So we want you to have the time to actually make income. Okay, so here's the high ticket product that we sell to people, but we also have other low ticket offers that people buy online automatically, and we're just upselling them. We're not really selling cold leads, we're upselling people that already purchased from us. So this is how powerful this is. So we're upselling them the client attraction system, which is for agencies, influencers, business owners. I mean, the target market here is enormous. You guys can never run out of prospects. And all we're doing is, instead of them keep on creating content and selling themselves to the devil, we just create their own ads and we run it for them. We test it so they can get more leads in the door and more booked appointments for their closers and setters, and therefore make more income. We have video testimonials, we have text testimonials. We are a service and a platform all at once. So people get both, best of both worlds. They get software and they also get a team to manage everything, set it up, and make sure they're successful. So this is the Done For You program. I've been having a lot of meetings all day. I'm not going to go through every single one of them. Take a screenshot of these programs and make sure that you know every single value and what they're getting. And like I said, we're selling these programs separately on their own pages. So you'll find people already owning some of these programs. You just come in and you're going to close them for the Done For You system at a base price of $4,000. Now, this price can be different across multiple pages. We have a $4,000 page, $8,000, 12,000, and I think we have 67 and so on. If you want to sell the system at any price that you see fit, send us a request in the group, in the community, and we will create a payment link for you to send out your prospect, so that way you make a bigger commission. People can also break down the payment so it's not too much upfront, and then get started with the program and have a done for you system so they can get more leads, more appointments. Once they start getting leads and appointments, we can place you into the clients that you generated or other clients that need help if you prove yourself. Okay. And the last thing is the reason there's a little payment, option, payment wall, whatever. It's not because I'm trying to, make money off you. I'm not trying to make money coaching setters and closers, but I really want to guard my time. I spent a lot of times onboarding, training, teaching people about the CRM, and at the end of the day, people just ghost without responding. And we created this payment wall to make sure you take it serious. And once you make your sales, your calls, and you do what you're supposed to do, you show up to the training, you will get that refunded 2x plus. Okay, so make sure you know that before you move forward to the next step. This is a video to vet you, to make sure you watched to the end. And if you did, I'll see you guys on the Freedom Club, and let's make a difference. All right, talk to you later.